Hello everybody. For making a bootable pen drive, you will need first of all your pen drive. Then you will need a program that will make your pen drive bootable, like your Rufus or Balena Etcher or Ventoy. And third and most importantly, you will be needing a ISO file of the operating system which you want to put on your pen drive. Before we begin, let me remind you that all your data on your USB will be erased. So pick your pen drive or USB very carefully, or move all your data on the pen drive or USB somewhere. So let's start. So I will be using Rufus here. I double click, then press yes, and it has already detected my pen drive. This is the pen drive, and now we will be selecting the ISO file. So for that, press the select, and it will prompt the window. I will select the Endeavour OS. This is a Linux distro. I will be making a video about installation of Endeavour OS in the next video. And we leave everything as it is, and then press start, then press alright. Okay, it is just saying that when you make your pen drive a bootable, it deletes all the files in it and then overwrites it with the operating system. So now our pen drive has become a bootable pen drive. If you look at, these are the files you get after making your pen drive bootable. Now your pen drive is ready to install operating system, whatever operating system you want to install on your computer.